हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम ये +2 के लिए फॉरवर्ड चैप्टर 2 इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन इन लास्ट वीडियोस मिसलेनियस वी वर डूइंग मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज कर रहे थे। उसमें हमने कितने क्वेश्चन कर लिए थे? 10 क्वेश्चंस मिसलेनियस के। तो नाउ इन दिस lecture number 10 miscellaneous exercise question number 11 to 14 NCERT book. Okay, now question 11 is from 11 onward all questions solve the following equations. These are the trigonometric equation. Okay, we have to solve means find the value of x. Clear that? Solve any equation in variable x, here x, then we have to solve. Okay, now here 2 tan inverse, here tan inverse. So 2 tan inverse formula we know. First we should use that. Okay, 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. This is the formula of use this formula. Okay, we know this 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Use this. Now here 2 tan inverse, it is cos x here instead x. Okay, 2 tan inverse something that is here in the formula 2 tan inverse x. So x is here cos x. Okay, we can say here theta. Okay, or any other number you can see. Now we have to use this solution. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x. 2x means 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x means 2 upon sin x. Okay, cosec x means cosec theta 1 upon sin theta. Okay, now tan inverse left hand side, tan inverse right hand side, equation is there, one term is there. It means this domain must be equal of tan inverse both function. Then this implies only 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is sin square x is equal to 2 upon sin x. Okay, this equation now here denominator sin x and sin square x, then 1 sin x will cancel. Okay, then what will left? And 2 will cancel with 2. Then what will left? It will be simplified. What? Cos x upon here 1 sin x cancel to sin square x, it will come in multiply other side, then will cancel, then it is sin x is equal to 1. Okay, now it is cos x upon sin x is cot x then cot x is equal to 1. Then what is x? Cot of theta any angle is equal to 1. Then theta 45 degree. We know. So x, this implies x is equal to pi by 4. Answer. Clear? Means use the formula this. This is important formula in the inverse. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay? Be careful. Remember this formula. Now next, question number 12. Yes. What is question 12? Question number 12 is tan inverse 1 minus x tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x (1 plus x) tan inverse this is equal to half tan inverse x. Same question. Okay, this is equation we can shift the numbers. We have to solve the equation. So then here 2 in divide in right hand, so 2 will come in multiply here. Okay, like this we can do. Clear? Okay. Now this or another one more. If you do not want to use that formula 2 tan inverse x, take this side, then you can take here 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, something substitution you can take and then you can find the value. Okay, any method you can apply. I am taking here 2, I am taking to this side 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, 2 will come in multiply this side is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, now formula same which used in the last question, 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, use this. Use this formula, then what will come? This 2 tan inverse this something 2 tan inverse x. It is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. It is here as x. We can say here theta also. You can take here theta also. Any other a, capital A also you can 2 tan inverse a. Okay. Y you can write. Okay. Then here we can say it is tan inverse 2 into this. So 2 into this means 2 minus 2x upon 1 plus x. 2 into this divided by 1 minus x square means this whole square. So 1 minus x whole square. Okay. 1 minus x whole square and 1 plus x whole square. This whole square. Okay. By the formula this is equal to tan inverse x. Then tan inverse equation is there, tan inverse something, it means tan inverse cancel out, then something is equal to something, then this will be equal to simplify. Okay, what is this? Okay, see this, what is it? Is 2 minus 2x upon 1 plus x, and denominator LCM. In denominator LCM, 1 plus x whole square LCM. Then whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can simplify. Then it means this multiply with 1 means what will come? Divide by, I am writing in divide, whole divide by this a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, this 1 will multiply 1 and minus same denominator, same LCM, so minus 1 minus x square means whole square, negative a minus b whole square and minus out. So sign will be changed of each term. I am doing whole square also and minus outside sign of each 3 term I am changing. So a square 1 plus x square means minus x square and minus 2x means plus 2x whole divide by 1 plus x whole square. This, okay, this divide by this is equal to x, this side right hand side x. Now this divide means reciprocal, so this factor will cancel, one factor will cancel to this factor because this will go up in the numerator and this goes down. Now here minus x square plus x square cancel, and then plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, then 2x plus 2x 4x. So 1 plus x upon 4x in multiply, then it will come 2 minus 2x into reciprocal. What will come? 1 plus x will go up, 1 plus x divide by 2x plus 2x 4x is equal to x. Okay, we can simplify now, multiply these, and it is denominator 4x will go that side, then 4x square then it will be implies that here we can do one step. It will come 4x that side, then 4x square, and this multiply with this, binomial with binomial. So 1 into 2 minus 2x, so 2 minus 2x, and then x with this 2x plus 2x plus x into minus 2x, so minus 2x square, minus 2x square upon 4x, and 4x will go that side, then take that side and write 4x into x, that is equal to 4x square. Okay, after that from here simplify forward, that it will come plus 2x minus 2x cancel, then 2 minus 2x square, 2 minus 2x square, 2 minus 2x square is equal to 4x square. So minus 4x square is equal to 0. Okay, take this side. Then or we can write or divide by minus 2. Okay, divide by minus 2, divide by minus 2. Okay, to whole. Then what will come? Divide by minus 2. So means it is 2x square positive will come, and this negative will be positive and divide by 2, then only plus x square. Okay, and then it is minus 2 equal 0. Then 2 1 3, okay, plus 3x square minus 2 equal to 0. Then x square is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, positive 2 and divide by 3. Then this implies square root both side, x is equal to plus minus square root 2 upon 3. Okay? Understand? What is x here? X where was there? Cos x. Okay? Tan inverse cos x. Inverse. Then x may be negative, may be positive. Okay? So this value is x. So we can say that this is the value of x. Done. Tan inverse x, it is in the range. Tan inverse x, x means something. So tan inverse का डोमेन है, x is in the domain, tan inverse x, तो x is in domain. तो tan inverse function domain all real number. Okay? Then negative and positive both. Okay. So this is answer. Now next question. Next question number 13. 13 is sine of tan inverse x. But in 12, x greater than 0 was given. Then it means positive answer. Okay? In question number 12, plus minus root 2 by 3. So only positive, because in the question given x greater than 0 only. So means positive answer. So answer is square root 2 upon 3. Now question number 13. Question 13. Sine of tan inverse x. Sine of tan inverse x modulus x is less than 1. Modulus x less than 1. It means x between minus 1 and 1, because modulus x less than 1. So x, so this implies what we can say, x without modulus may be negative or positive, but greater than minus 1 and less than 1. This. Okay? Because modulus of negative is positive. Now this. Solve. Now tan inverse x, sine tan inverse x equation. It is not any equation. Question 13. Sine of tan inverse x is equal to, option is there. Option question is there. Options is equal A option. What is A? X upon root 1 minus x square. B option. What is B option? 1 upon square root 1 minus x square. C option. 1 upon root 1 plus x square. And D option, x upon root 1 plus x square. Yes, now this value is equal to this. So we have to simplify it, means simplify this. Okay, so outside sine, inside must be sine. Sine inverse may be that. So tan inverse x convert into sin inverse. Take like that solution. Sine of, take this A, sine of tan inverse, let A. Let tan inverse x is equal to A. Make table, right triangle, because x is equal to tan A. Then tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Let this angle A in this right triangle. Same method I told. Every inverse may be written in the each other 5 inverse by this method. Okay, many times I told. Every inverse, trigonometric inverse, can be converted into other each 5 tan inverse. Which you want, you can take. First Pythagoras theorem, use that like this. Opposite upon adjacent. This is opposite side. Adjacent is 1. Then by Pythagoras theorem, you can take hypotenuse. Then hypotenuse square is equal to other two sides square sum. Then 1 square 1 plus x square. Then root 1 plus x square. This is the hypotenuse. Okay, then from here you can take which required, our required sine. Okay, then we should take sine of A from here. Sine of A is equal to sine theta, opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite is x upon hypotenuse, root 1 plus x square. So from here A value, because we want A, okay, or direct it is sin A by substitution. Okay, direct we can write sin A value is what? X upon 1 plus this. So this is x upon root 1 plus x square. So which option? X upon root 1 plus D option is correct option. Okay, option D is correct. D is correct option. Correct option. Okay, clear? Okay, every inverse take like this and make right triangle and take ratio and take the 10th class method and take Pythagoras theorem and find third side, and third side then all three sides, then all other trigonometry you can write, and A we can write in the inverse form. Okay, so this method I told you, be careful. This is very simple, very easy to convert every inverse into the other each 5 inverse by this method. So very simple method this. Now which required you can do that. Question 14, last question in this chapter. Question number 14. Okay, sin inverse 1 minus x sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Then x is equal, then x is equal S is equal A part, A option question 0, 1 by 2, B option 1 comma 1 by 2, C option 0 only, D option only 1 by 2. Okay, these options given. Now sin inverse, see this, sin inverse minus 2 sin inverse equal to pi by 2. Understand? Now 2 sin inverse x formula we can use. What? 2 sin inverse x, 2 sin inverse x formula is sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. No, tan inverse में है ये, sorry. 2 sin inverse x is tan inverse. See this, 2 tan inverse x, tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, but 2 sin inverse x, tan inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. So this formula we have to use. It is in tan form, we can take here. So now sin inverse x, sin inverse 1 minus x, solution. See, minus 2 sin inverse x formula, tan inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, okay, is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now this tan inverse, other sin inverse, so tan inverse formula we know, we can take tan inverse this also, so we can take that triangle and we can convert this into tan inverse. This is sin inverse something, so sin inverse, let it is A, so sin A equal to this full sin inverse 1 minus x is A, then sin A is 1 minus x. Okay, then sin theta is equal to what is there? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is this angle A, opposite side is 1 minus x, and then hypotenuse is 1. Okay, then by Pythagoras theorem, we can take third side, hypotenuse square 1 square 1 minus whole square of 1 minus x, so a square plus b square minus 2ab, and sign change because minus outside, so a square plus b square will be minus b square, and minus 2x will be plus 2x. Then 1 minus 1 cancel, it is minus x square plus 2x. So it is square root of (2x minus x square). This is the base. Now we can take this value in the tan form. So tan form value is tan A is equal to tan theta, opposite upon adjacent, 1 minus x upon square root 2x minus x square. Be careful this is the tan A. So this A value tan inverse that. So this A value will be tan inverse 1 minus x upon square root 2x minus x square, and minus this minus tan inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now understand? Now tan inverse formula we can use. What will be tan inverse formula? Oh, option I have rubbed here. चलो फिर देखते हैं क्या बनेगा. See that. Now solve forward, then it will come tan inverse A minus tan inverse B formula. So tan inverse A minus B formula is tan inverse A minus B, यानी x minus this, तो 1 minus x upon root of 2x minus x square minus 2x upon 1 plus x square, this formula upon tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, this into this. So 1 minus x upon root 2x minus x square into 2x upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now simplify it, is equal to pi by 2. Tan 0 is 0 and tan inverse tan will go that side. So then it will be tan pi by 2 this side, and this side is this. Simplify. LCM is root 2x minus x square. Understand? In numerator LCM into 1 plus x square. LCM, then multiply numerator here and this, so it will be 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Okay, see this, and minus 2x into this, minus 2x into square root 2x minus x square. This is equal to this tan pi by 2, and tan pi by 2 value tan 90 degree, tan pi by 2, tan 0 0 and tan pi by 2, yes, sin upon cos, sin 90 upon cos 90, clear? Sin 90 value 1 upon cos 90 0, 1 upon 0 means infinite, not defined. If any fraction is not defined, this fraction is not defined, then we can say denominator is 0. Denominator 0, any number, any real number divided by 0 is not defined. So means denominator take 0. If any fraction is not defined, denominator take 0. So this implies denominator is root of 2x minus x square into 1 plus x square is equal to 0. Okay, see this. Then what will come if this 0? Product, so 2 each factor 0. So root of 2x minus x square must be 0, or 1 plus x square equal to 0. Okay, if this, then x square is equal to minus 1. Not possible. Not possible, because square of any number x always positive. So not possible. So rejected. Understand this point. Because x square always positive. Here coming x square is -1. So rejected. Now from here result will come. So here what is there? What is here? Now whole square both side. 0 square, then 2x minus x square is equal to 0. Whole square both side, squaring both side. Root हट गया. Then what is common here? X common. 2 minus x is equal to 0. Okay? Then each factor equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Okay? Understand? X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Both are possible or maybe any one rejected. So we have to fill in the equation, starting equation. What was the question? We have to check in the question. What was the question? Sin inverse 1 minus x. Check which is possible. Okay? Now understand. Checking. Question was sin inverse 1 minus x. 1 minus x. X is if 0. If 0. If x equal to 0. Okay, first case. Then 1 minus 0 minus 2 sin inverse 0 is equal to pi by 2. See, it is verified or not? Sin inverse 1. How many angle will come? How much angle is 1? That is 90 degree. Then pi by 2 minus sin inverse 0 is 0. So 0 into 2, 0 is equal to pi by 2. Verified. Okay. First case is okay. Second case is 2. If x is 2, so sin inverse 1 minus 2 minus 2 sin inverse 2 is equal to pi by 2. Understand? Now 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Sin inverse minus 1 minus 2 sin inverse 2. Let it is a, then what will come? Value of sin inverse 2 means sin A is 2. What is angle? Output 2. No, output only 1 and minus 1. Between 1 and minus 1. So this not possible. Okay, only this. And then this sin inverse minus 1 value minus sin inverse, then minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 minus something is equal to then rejected. It is not verified. So only 0. Rejected. Okay? Only x is 0. Only 0. Then option, which option? Option is C. C option is correct. C option is correct. Only 0 is possible. This is rejected. Done. Now it is completed. Be careful about the formulas. Okay? Take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next notification automatically with you, and you enjoy to understand everything in Ncert book what is there. So you share the maximum contact may or may not be they are studying in that, may be their parents, उनके बच्चे हैं और हैं इधर रिलेटिव हैं, कोई भी स्टडी करते हैं उनको फ़ायदा होगा, वो देखेंगे तो उनको घर बैठे हुए नॉलेज मिलेगी। ओके, आई वांट यू शेयर मैक्सिमम। थैंक यू।